Welcome to another edition of Weekend Roundup. And Brian, I understand you have some interesting things in the world of package delivery.
Yes, that is this week's theme. So, starting locally, not too far away from us in Fairfax, Starship Technologies and Sodexo Inc. this week launched a robot food delivery service on the campus of George Mason University. Students, faculty, and teachers will be able to order their favorite food and drinks for delivery within just minutes via the Starship robots. Additionally, starting this spring in the Boston area, Stop and Shop will offer consumers in the greater Boston area the chance to shop right from their doorsteps using the RoboMart autonomous delivery vehicles. The vehicles will be remotely piloted from a RoboMart facility. And finally, Amazon has delivered a new autonomous delivery device called the Amazon Scout, which it is currently testing in Washington State. So a lot of autonomous delivery vehicles out there being developed and used, and it's good to see real-world applications now with them.
Yep, I look forward to getting stuff delivered by a robot. I don't have a theme per se, but just some regional developments. A dry lake bed in California was mapped using a drone, so it was able to do it quickly and get some good data. Texas has launched an automated vehicle and connected vehicle task force to kind of honcho development of automated vehicles in that state. Georgia State researchers leading a team to develop drones to help fight forest fires, help predict their growth and get people out of the way. That's kind of a big topic the last couple of years. And not a U.S. state, but Ontario in Canada says it's going to cut red tape for the development of automated vehicles there. So that could be a good development. Last but not least, kind of unrelated to all that stuff, the U.S. Navy is building what they call a ghost fleet of Navy unmanned surface vehicles that could swarm around potential adversaries. So cool name, if nothing else.
Very cool.
All right, and that's what we got this week, and we will see you next week.